to keep my body on.
Hit! Fire. Hit! Yo. I've got you. You're fire. I'll make it happen. Fuck it. That's a gold bar, isn't it? I see. Yeah, man. Oh, sorry.
You've got more ready?
Yeah, man.
No, I still thought I ran in.
Two hours later.
Hey!
Yo! Found the camera! I know exactly which camera it is.
Yeah.
GoPro, it's actually lost it. You get the GoPro.
It's an Asian guy, when you
Yeah, tell him we're exploring it. We've got it down here.
You got a bit of scratching on it, by the way. Luckily not on the lens. But
Oh my days, thank you so much. Cheers, man. So what are you guys doing?
Raven.
Around, I like sneaking up on people.
Feel it on your back.
Yeah.
What the?
It's pitch black down there.
I got you. I got you.
Look at the shadow. Hit! Hit! Where are you? You in the corner? I was just fucking hiding in the corners, man. Hit! Hit! Kill! This is fucking empty. Dry fire. Okay, now you're firing. Piece of shit.
Yeah, but I heard of footsteps.
What, you only heard it when it was too late?
I don't think there's anyone out there.
No, I walked back.
Actually.
Should we go for a walk? I bent my knife on you, bro. You got too much body armor.
It's too good.
It's empty.
Oh, well, I've empty.
Show me that one. Empty.
Oh!
Death by firing squad. And then finish them off.